Take this real quick. Um, what we're doing right now is like analysis for the week, but um, I'll be only doing analysis for GBP, JPY, and yeah, let's get into it. Get me. Uh, okay, let me share my screen. Let's see the shots. Don't mind my voice. I don't know how crazy night last night. So just having fun, you get me. All right, let's get back to the shots. Yeah, get back to the shot. This is GBP JPY, GBP JPY. One thing about this pair is that I've come to like understand this pair like the back of my hand. So because I traded GBP JPY for like um 2 years straight, like just one pair for like 2 years straight, or a year and 9 months. Let's round figure 2 years straight because I still traded it after that other month. You get me? So yeah, like 2 years straight I traded GBP JPY. You get me? So it's a pair I've like know how the pair moves and understood the market structure, the change of trends, the reversal pattern, like everything about this pair, like I get to understand how it moves, and this is a pair that I use to understand the chart fully and try to like, because if you understand one pair, you understand other pairs. Maybe not fundamentally, but technically, because price moves the same way. Higher highs, higher low, lower low, lower lows, trend in range in market, price consolidate, break off range, retest, and all those stuff. It's just the same thing that's happening. You just need to you just need to understand your strategy and know what you're looking for, and not look for everything. You get me? And let the probability plays for you. Play for you, sorry. No, I don't know what's happening to me. My voice is just okay. So let's get into the charts. These are all the currency pairs I'm trading for this week. Because usually I really don't I trade let's say up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, up to like 17 pairs are here. But the fun part is that I do not trade everything. You get me? I only like trade high probability setups. You get me? Because I've learned how to like um I've learned how to I've learned the market through GBP JPY, and because of that, I use it to like um I use that idea to like master all these other charts. Understand? Because the market move I like. Understand? So with that, I understood all the chart. But what I do right now is every weekend I try to um make my weekly analysis and find just A plus setups from this analysis, only A plus setups. So I don't treat everything. I'll just make analysis and see what's better for me. Like the A plus setup, it can be just 2 pairs for the week. It can be 3 pairs. Sometimes it can be four. Now it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's like six. Understand? So I only choose A plus setups. But these 6 pairs might only give me 2 trades for the week, and I'm okay with that. You get me? It's not like everything here will play out the way I want it. Understand? So that's how I view the market. That's how I come into the market and try to be ready for the week. Understand? So this is GBP JPY, and these red ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 pairs are what I'm looking at this week. So I will only be talking about GBP JPY. So let's get into the chart right now. So yeah, GBP JPY. we start from our daily time frame. That's our daily time frame, and this is our support and resistance line. So you can see price is sitting down on this resistance. Price broke, came back down, and this is the current market price here. So we are at this point now. We are retesting this support here. So now we are waiting for that reversal. We are waiting to see something to take us to the upside, because if you look at the chart closely, you know we're on an uptrend. This is our daily time frame. I like to, first of all, understand the trend and tell you, okay, this is where the market is going, and you get to understand the trend that price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So because price is making higher highs and higher lows, it means that we are in an uptrend. So that's like one confluence of the book. Then another confluence is, let's say, this is our retracement, and we've halted at this zone. So because we've halted at this zone, if we use our Fibonacci from our low point A to point B, you can see we even sat down very well. The body of the candle closed at our 61.8% zone, which means we are ready for that leg, that push up, that impulsive push up. That's the second confluence, because this I just try to add all my confluences together to give me more courage to take trades, and yeah, you get me. So that's number two confluence. We are at our 61.8% zone on our Fibonacci. My second confluence on our daily we still have another confluence again. We've not even gone to our H4 and H1, but we are seeing these confluences on our daily. You get me? So nowadays now we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle. This bullish candle engulfing this candle. You get me? So now this is like a minor pullback move before we go higher. So after we see this bullish engulfing, you can tell that the bulls are in the market fully right now. The bulls, they've engulfed, like this one candle engulfed two bearish candles. So you can tell that, okay, we are we are in a bull market right now. This candle to me doesn't matter, because this is just like a fake move. To me, this is like a fake move. You get me? To make you think that it's a trick, to make you think that the bears are coming back, but the bears are not coming back. Because if you go to your weekly, this is your weekly time, you can see what's happening. This is a very nice bullish candle, and this is just what happened last week. You can see it left a very, very long week. Understand? To show you exhaustion at this zone. This candle has exhaust its bearish momentum, and now we are like going up. We are pushing higher. Again, so that's what we are seeing at that zone. So let's go to our H4. What are we seeing on our H4? So with our daily Fibonacci at still visible, let's remove our daily Fibonacci, because we know it's sitting on 61.8%. So let's remove our daily Fibonacci, and we can see what's happening on H4. This is what's happening on H4. Say price moving higher highs, higher low, higher highs. We broke our last higher low, came back down, lower low, lower high, lower low. We broke our last lower high. So now we are creating an uptrend. Now we've broken structure here. So since we've broken structure on H4, imagine now we've gotten like three confluences on our daily. H4, we are still getting our confluences right. Break of structure, like we're just repeating the same thing. Understand? So this is a break of structure on our H4. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this retracement to halt the way the retracement halted at our daily time frame. So if we put our Fibonacci from the zone, point A to point B, you can see we've not retraced to any of our retracement zone yet. So I want price to get to 61.8% zone and give us something here. Then we'll go to our H1 and see what price is doing. But right now, this is where we are right now. You get me? There's no need to start going to our lead time frame. We just want price to get to the zone. Once price get to the zone, we go lower to like pinpoint our entry. So this is what I'm waiting for this week for GBP JPY. This is like my best trade so far, analysis so far for this week. So we might be looking for, let's say, inverse head and shoulder, like something. But I don't want to, I just don't want to guess. Get me, we can see a double bottom here and take our trade. Then another candlestick analysis, I will be aiming for this high. I'll be aiming for this high. You get me? We can still use this as our TP zone, but I'll be aiming for this high if I catch this trade from this point. Understand? So what I'm saying, I'm still saying price might make price might make an inverse, a big inverse head and shoulder at this zone. This is our H4. Imagine price giving us an inverse head and shoulder. That's a reversal pattern. So this whole point is where price is reversing on our daily. So based on the price is reversing at 61.8% zone, you can tell that okay, now we're having an inverse and we're having a short pattern on our H4. That's on our lower time frame, inverse head and shoulder. So that's the same thing we will be seeing here. So when price get to this zone, I will start seeing those moves. If we go to our lower time frame, we can see a, a chart pattern similar to this, maybe an inverse head and shoulder or a double bottom here. So that's how it works. Then we find our candlestick analysis before we take the trade. So this is for GBP JPY, and this is the only pair I will be looking at. I will be teaching you guys and making analysis for you guys. So yeah, so this is what we'll be waiting for the week. So see you guys later.